chose to go where we meant to go. They don't understand what it means to me, but we chose to go where we meant to go. You know this.
Alright, YouTubers, so I am on my way to my first retightening appointment. As you can see, I have really bad dry scalp. I've tried everything from sea breeze to the ABC rinses, and nothing is helping me. Went to a dermatologist, nothing they can do. But so this is my first retightening appointment. Hopefully my stylist can tell me something, my loctician can tell me something about what I can do about this dry scalp, and it just looks so horrible. But we'll see. All right, peace out until she's done. Hey YouTubers, it's your girl Honeycomb coming live from in the chair. So it's been 3 days since I got my retightening on my Sisterlocks. I actually have 555 locks. In the back, my locks are 8.5 inches. In the middle, they're about 8 inches. In the front, they're 9.5 inches. I was talking with my loctician about the dry scalp that I was telling you guys about. She was telling me that in a week to do another ABC rinse. I'm going to see how that goes. But I will say my first retightening, it was painful. Not real bad pain, but it was just like, you know, when you crochet the hair in, that tug when you go in between the braid. That's what it felt like. But I'm pretty happy with my retightening. I had some slippage in the back. It was only a row, but you know, she said, you know, you can expect that. She noticed that some of my hair my curls started to bunch together in the back, but she said that was normal. But I didn't have much slippage, so I'm pretty happy about that. So until later.